Hi everyone, I just got my paper pumpkin and I wanted to share it with you. I've actually already seen it online and I know it's going to be cute, but I wanted to show it to you in case you didn't get it. It's Valentine themed, and what's great about it is that they've coordinated it with the Animal Outing stamp set, which is super cute, and I already had it, and I love the little images here. So this is an addition to this set, and I want to show you the stamps. So it's hard to see, but there's a little chameleon, and it's actually one of the little chameleons that are in the designer series paper that matches this whole suite. So you can get this paper pumpkin and really have it go a long way by matching the papers that are in our annual catalog. So there's this really cute little chameleon. Let me find a scrap in the annual catalog, and now we have an adorable stamp that matches him with the little dragonfly on his tail, just like in the paper. And these really cute birds are also from this paper. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, they're kind of flying in the sky. I've used a lot of this paper, so I don't have a ton of it. There's really cute little birds. So you've got a few of those. And then it says, "You're one in a chameleon." Really cute. "For you, my friend, you're so fly, I love you." To, from, some cute little backgrounds, a heart, "Be mine, happy Valentine's Day," and "Be my Valentine." Really adorable, and I'm gonna probably store it right along in here with my Animal Outing set so that they'll all be together. And you also get a melon mambo ink spot. And what this kit makes is just amazing. Look at these pillow boxes, so adorable. I love the pillow boxes anyway, so you get quite a few. I forget how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 24. 24 pillow boxes. So you've got these really sweet, well, here's some stickery things. Here you've got a packet of dimensionals, adhesive strips, and these cute little heart stickers. The pillow boxes in 2 different colors. Some die-cut hearts, several sheets of those, several sheets of these cute animals. Look at that. This little chameleon with the dragonfly. So cute. And some more die-cut circles. And this is probably little labels for the stickers. And of course there's an instruction sheet. There you go. There's your instruction sheet with step-by-step instructions on how to put it all together. Super adorable. Now this set has already gone out, so if you missed this month's paper pumpkin, contact me. I always buy extras for my customers who might have missed, or you can subscribe right at my blog too, bethspapercuts.com. And you can also purchase additional add-ons like the Animal Outing stamp set and the super cute designer series paper that matches it. Love this sloth. He is adorable. I think that might be my favorite. Okay, so that's this month's paper pumpkin. Thanks for watching. Bye.